Today, we're diving into resilience, what it really means, why it matters, and how we can build it. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back. It's about adapting, growing stronger, and facing challenges with confidence. Let's explore how this powerful quality shapes our lives and work. Sometimes things don't go the way we want. We might feel sad or angry, and that's okay. What matters is how we show those feelings. Using our words and talking with each other helps. Resilience is about trying your best, even when something's hard, like missing a shot or losing a game. It means being strong on the inside and handling challenges when they come. So, what exactly is resilience? Let's explore that together. Let's start with a simple example, choosing to talk about how you're feeling instead of hitting or shouting. That's a powerful way to control your emotions. But what does being resilient really look like? It's about staying steady, even when things get tough. It's about finding calm in the chaos and responding thoughtfully, not just reacting. Resilience means bouncing back and choosing your actions with intention. That's what we're exploring here. Trying your best every time builds resilience. It's how we get better at all kinds of things, even simple tasks like skipping or zipping up a coat. When we keep pushing, no matter what, we learn to bounce back from challenges. So, what does being resilient really look like? It's about effort, persistence, and believing you can improve. That's the heart of this idea. We often assume that if something was tough the first time, it'll always be that way. But that's not true. When we revisit a challenge, we give ourselves a chance to grow, to do better the second or third time around. This slide asks us to think about resilience. What does it really mean to keep going, even when things don't come easily at first? It's about persistence, learning, and the willingness to try again. Let's focus on building some key skills that help us grow stronger every day. Practicing problem solving means we don't shy away from challenges, we face them head on. Positive thoughts keep us motivated, even when things get tough. Understanding our feelings helps us stay in control, rather than being controlled. Put all this together, and we become resilient, ready to bounce back no matter what life throws at us. Resilience in school means bouncing back when things get tough. It's about staying focused, even when assignments pile up or a test doesn't go your way. We build resilience by asking for help when we need it, managing our time wisely, and keeping a positive mindset. Remember, setbacks aren't failures, they're chances to learn and grow. Let's explore how we can develop these habits to stay strong throughout the school year. Being resilient means bouncing back when things don't go as planned. It's about facing challenges head-on, adapting to change, and keeping your focus even when the path gets tough. Resilience isn't just about surviving, it's about learning, growing, and coming out stronger on the other side. Let's explore what that really looks like in action. As we wrap up, remember to find a quiet moment to check in with your feelings. Share them with someone, start with "I feel." It's simple but powerful. When things get tough, take a deep breath. And don't forget, eating well can lift your mood too. These small steps help build resilience every day. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.